Yo, back with another banger, DGens. What's going on, guys? What's going on? I don't even have to ask how you guys are doing. It's very clear. We're knocking it out of the park, baby. We're knocking it. We're going to look at Onyx Coin, JASMY. We're going to look at Swift as well because Swift is pumping, guys. Have a glance over at Bitcoin, see what the market's doing over the weekend. Let's have a look at JASMY first, and we're going to address the elephant in the room. We did a live stream earlier today, and like 100 people asked me about JASMY diluting the supply and circulation. So we're going to address that as well. So stay tuned for that. I got the hiccups, so stay tuned for those. All right, so JASMY up 10.5% on the day, guys. Up 7.9% on the week, down 8% on the month, but up 602% on the year. We're up 2 spots in rank now to 75. Market cap's moving up 1.67 billion. And the volume has moved up just a teeny bit, 154.08 million, guys. That's getting ready to start to spike, in my opinion. We're going to have a look at it and see. Swift up 40.8% on the day, up 48.3% on the week, up 26.6% on the month, and up 373% on the year. We have moved up 95 spots in rank today, guys, to 542. Market cap's jumped up to 80.89 million, and the volume is spiking. Usually we're used to around 5 million in volume. We're at 17.19 right now. So the volume's starting to pick up, guys. Can Swift get back to a penny today? We're going to stay on top of it. I think it's definitely possible. Let's go look over at oops. It's the wrong thing. So we looked at that. We looked at JASMY, Swift, Onyx Coin. Guys, I asked in the last video, could we break a penny today? Look at this, guys. We got as high as 1 cent 8. I know it doesn't show it on here. I'll show you on the chart in a few minutes. We got as high as almost 2 cents today. So can Onyx Coin continue this rally after the daily close this evening and break above 2 cents? Today, we're up 208% on the day. We're up 380% on the week. We're up 498% on the month, guys. And we are up an astonishing 864% on the year. Now, if you are a member of the Patreon, you have been buying this project with the rest of us since April of last year. So you are up massively on this play, guys. This is what we do over there. And just briefly before I continue, guys, we are looking at 2 projects over on the Patreon right now that we think are going to do the same thing in about 4 to 6 weeks. So we are in accumulation mode right now over there doing that. And I'm also dropping another one, a video on the Patreon next week for another gem that we're going to start accumulating that we believe is going to do the same thing as Onyx Coin's doing now. So get your butts over there. The link's in the description, guys. Do not miss this boat. Patreon has exploded, because everyone figured out that, oh my God, Rob was pointing out the Onyx Coin since April of last year. And all of the all the Patreon members and stuff, we have been cleaning house today, guys. We just notched another millionaire on the Patreon today. We've created another millionaire over on the Patreon today. I'm so proud of that, guys. Another one of our members hit 7 digits. Guys, we are birthing them over there. You got to join the community. Let's go look at some charts, shall we? So everyone's asking me, Rob, why is JASMY not pumping, but, Onyx Coin's pumping and Swift is pumping? Well, I got some good news for you here, guys. Have a look at the daily chart. With the RSI in the neutral, by the way, so there's lots of room to go here. We have broken out of our falling wedge pattern here. We are currently above the 30-day SMA, which has acted as a significant level of resistance. If we can close this daily candle above the 30-day SMA and outside of this trend line, then we are primed for liftoff, guys. My target on this breakout is up here at 7 cents range. That's where I'm looking at for the breakout of this falling wedge pattern, guys. So you are on the cusp of a similar run on JASMY as we speak. So do not be deterred. Do not be down and out because Onyx running and JASMY's not, because JASMY is right behind it, guys. Stay tuned. Strap in, strap on, buckle in. Let's go over to the Onyx coin chart and have a look. A lot of people took profits at this point, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this count. I got to shrink it down to... Look at I got to shrink it down to make it fit, for crying out loud. So we got as high here on the chart as 1 cent 85. Almost 2 cents, guys. Then we came down to here, which is perfect. We're still above a penny. We're at 1 cent 278. Fantastic. Now I am fine closing our daily candle right around here, right? And then possibly continuing this leg up tonight. Now that we've eaten away a lot of those sell orders up here, can we continue on tonight with a fantastic daily close? And I don't even want to get started on how amazing this weekly close is going to be. But the question is, can we get above 2 cents tonight? I think it's definitely possible. So I will be watching for a continuation to the upside on Swiftcoin, guys. If not, I mean, hey, it would be fine if we consolidated right here for, I wouldn't be upset if we consolidated here for about 4 or 5 days. Would be great. Build up some support before continuing up further. You want to build those support levels, guys, because if we don't, then we're going to crash all the way back down again if we do not have support. I had to let my cat out of my office. So I don't know if you guys could hear her meowing in the background, so I had to take care of that. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at, guys. Can we hit 2 cents tonight? I'm thinking yes, we can. So we're going to keep watching it. All right. And Bitcoin's chart. Bitcoin, don't sleep on Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is allowing all of this to happen because it is looking very juicy as well. If we close, what we need to do here is we need to close this daily candle we're in right now above this slanting trend line. And the reason for that is because this is a downward momentum kind of pattern we've been in, right? This flow. We're invalidating the downward structure and we're putting in a higher low from this point here. That is very crucial. So we have to close above this line right here, which is 102,300. Right now we're at 104,600. So it's looking pretty good. We still have a little over an hour from the time I'm recording this for the daily close. But right now, Bitcoin looks primed for a great daily close, putting in a higher high, which would be amazing. Guys, I have speculated about this last night and today. Could we see a huge run up on Bitcoin and crypto over this weekend due to Trump's inauguration being on Monday? And so many rumors are swirling around X right now about him signing an pro-crypto executive order right away. Like day one, they're talking about how Trump has announced that he wants to make a strategic reserve for altcoins as well, American-based altcoins, not just Bitcoin, which I know Bitcoin maxis are crying in their little cribs right now, little piggies squealing because they thought it was all about Bitcoin, and it turns out that it's not. So we're talking about the likes of like Cardano, XRP, Solana, so on and so forth, XCN, Onyx Coin, right? A lot of these American companies, very, very bullish for them. So all this stuff combined, is this going to cause a massive rally over the weekend, a buy the rumor, sell the news event? Well, we are seeing Bitcoin starting its breakout right now. Could we see about $115,000 to $118,000 Bitcoin by the time we get to Monday? And if we do, we will likely see a sell the news event on Monday and Tuesday, right? But I will let you guys be the judge of what happens there. All right, guys. Also, really quick, I wanted to show you something pretty cool for Onyx Coin before we get into the JASMY stuff. Boom, look at that. Trending, top 8. Onyx Coin trending, top 8 cryptos. You love to see that, guys. You love to see it. So very, very bullish. All right, so let's get to the elephant in the room that everyone is complaining about. So actually, you know what? I have it. I think I shared it over on my X page. So Let's go look at it directly from the source. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Un momento, por favor. Okay. Here we go. Now, courtesy of Dip Metaverse. Circulating supply update. 50 million tokens were added into circulation from the deployer wallet 20 hours ago. Circulating supply 49,444,999,000, blah, 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 blah. 98.89% of the total supply is in circulation. Deployer wallet remaining 555 million tokens. Guys, they could, listen, there's a lot of people squealing about this, okay? Oh my God. 50 million tokens, guys. That is not even a quarter of a half of a drop of water in the bucket. That is not enough tokens to affect the price. What are you complaining about, right? In no way is this affecting the price in a negative way. It did not move the needle one iota. This is a nothing burger that's being built up to be some big deal to make people panic. It means nothing. The total amount has to eventually be in circulation. 98.89% is already in circulation. Even if they dumped the remaining 555 million into circulation right now, it would not move the needle for the price. It would not dump the price. What are you panicking about? What are you upset about? Stop being a whiny little piglet. Stop screaming and complaining. This does not mean anything bad, okay? It's a nothing burger. So can we stop acting like they dropped 50% of the supply into circulation today or something? Like I'm like, what are you talking about? What are you panicking? This is nothing. It's like me throwing $5 out there and people going, oh my God, he threw away so much money. It's the equivalent of the exaggerated level of response, guys. Come on, right? I know most of you guys are like, yeah, this is nothing. This is a nothing burger. It's, you know, it's like, it's nothing. Okay. So can we put that to bed now? This is nothing. Okay. Ripple drops more XRP into circulation at the beginning of every month from their escrow by like 1 million times of this. And it doesn't affect the price of XRP every month. Right. So come on. Right. Ripple dumps like at least a few 100 million into circulation every month. They drop 50 million. Come on, guys. Right. So let's put things in perspective. Anyway, so that's put to bed. Nobody panic. It's all good in the hood. JASMY is getting ready to break out as we speak. Bitcoin is primed to have a big weekend. Onyx coin is going to have a close above a penny. Hopefully get to 2 cents tonight. Swift is currently breaking. Oh, did we look at the Swift chart? I don't think we did. Let's look at the Swift. Sorry, guys. Let's look at the Swift chart real quick before we go. I don't think we looked at it. So Swift is breaking out as well. My target for Swift is up here at 1 cent 3.8, 1 cent 4 area is where I'm targeting for this breakout to continue, guys. Right now, 20909. Can we get above a penny today on Swift coin? That's what we're watching for. Swift currently breaking out. Onyx coin has been breaking out. JASMY's getting ready to break out. Bitcoin's getting ready to break out. Big things coming, guys. We got 2 more gems we're buying right now over on the Patreon. We're dropping another one next week, guys. Get over there. We do group video calls every evening. We go live. Jump over there. Join our group video calls. Schedule your one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. Guys, join this community. I'm telling you right now, it has been just exploding over the last 48 hours. Unbelievable. Welcome to all the new members. Make sure you join the group video calls this evening. About 9:20 p.m. Central. We do them every single day. You're going to absolutely love it. It's educational. It's hilarious. We have good talks. You learn so much. You get to sit back and listen to the veterans who've been around for multiple cycles, throw things off of each other. Where do we think tonight? You can guarantee that tonight's conversation in the group video call is going to be probably primarily focused around JASMY's breakout that's pending and Onyx coin and when this is going to stop, when this run for Onyx coin is going to stop. So you don't want to miss this conversation tonight, guys. Get over there. The link's in the chat. or it's in the description. Sorry. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys later.